Hey Siri, how's gonna be the weather tomorrow?
Thunderstorms are expected in Jacksonville tomorrow. The high will be 27 degrees and the low will be 17.
Okay, Google, how the weather's gonna be tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Jacksonville, there will be thunderstorms with a high of 27 and a low of 17.
Okay, Google, can you put the volume at the maximum? Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 10:54.
Ok, adesso funziona. Prossima domanda. Ok, Google, open the bay doors.
Sorry, I'm not sure how to help with that.
Hey Siri, open the bay doors. Hey Siri, open the bay doors. Hey Siri, can you open the bay doors, Hal? Niente, non so rispondere, vaffanculo. Hey Siri, can you tell me a good sushi place around here?
The highest rated option I found is Open Sushi on Old Bay Meadows Road in Jacksonville, which averages 4.5 stars and is moderately priced according to Yelp. It's closed today. Would you like to hear the next one?
No. Okay, Google, can you tell me a good sushi place around here?
Okay.
I found a few top-rated places within 8.1 miles. The first one is Mizu Sushi and Grill at 14965 Old Street, Augustine Road in Jacksonville. The second one is Sushi House and Grill at 13820 Old Street, Augustine Road,
Okay,
number
Google, stop.
145 in Jacksonville. The third one is Phillips
Okay,
Sushi
Google,
at
stop.
9475 Phillips Highway in Jacksonville.
Quando gli dici a Siri di sfermare, si ferma, mi sembra. È più reattiva quando parla. Ok, Google, can you play Interstellar by Hans Zimmer?
Since that album's only available for Google Play Music subscribers, try this Google Play Music Interstellar station instead.
Ok, Google, stop. Diciamo che per Siri qua mi sono sottoscritto il free trial a Apple Music e quindi conosce tutte le canzoni. Allora, che canzone vuole sentire? Una di Adriano Celentano. Hey Siri, can you play a song by Adriano Celentano?
I don't see Adriana Chilling-Taylor on Apple Music or in your library.
Hey Siri, can you play something by Gigi D'Alessio?
Sorry, I couldn't find Santine by Gigi D'Alessio.
Ok, Google, can you play something by Gigi D'Alessio?
Okay, check out this Gigi D'Alessio radio mix on Google Play Music.
Maglione lungo su, un maglione lungo su. Bellissima, non la potete sentire ma ve la canto io. Ok Google, can you tell me the score of the last Juventus match?
Last Friday, Juventus played Fiorentina. The final score was 2-0 Juventus.
Hey Siri, can you tell me the score of the Juventus match last week?
Virginia is not playing today. Their next game is against Miami on Tuesday at 9 p.m.
Hey Siri, can you tell me the score of Juventus last week?
Here are the scores for Virginia between January 31st, 2018 and February 3rd, 2018. Virginia defeated Louisville by a score of 7.
Hey Siri, can you tell me my appointment for next week?
I wish I could, but I can't access your calendar here.
Okay Google, can you tell me the appointment for next week?
There's nothing in your calendar, but I can add an event to your calendar if you'd like.
Okay Google, can you schedule a dentist appointment on Wednesday at 8 a.m.?
Alright, dentist appointment on Wednesday at 8 a.m. Do you want to save this?
No.
What do you want to change?
Cancel.
Okay, I didn't save it.
Hey Siri, can you schedule an appointment on Wednesday, 8 o'clock for the dentist?
I wish I could, but I can't access your calendar here.
Hey Siri, where am I?
Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay, Google, where am I?
Jacksonville, Florida.
Okay, Google, what's my name?
Your name is Mirko.
Oh, hey Siri, what's my name? Hey Siri, what's my name?
I don't know your name, but you sound like a human being to me. I'm a big fan.
Hey Siri, can you tell me the biography of Elon Musk?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Okay, Google, can you tell me the biography of Elon Musk?
According to Wikipedia, Elon Reeve Musk is a South African-born Canadian-American business magnate, investor, engineer, and inventor.
Se non lo sapete, Elon Musk, quello della Tesla, è nato in Africa, Sudafrica. Hey Siri, can you tell me the biography of Steve Jobs?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Hey Siri, can you tell me the biography of Steve Jobs?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Ieri però nel video era riuscito a fare. Ok Google, can you tell me the biography of Steve Jobs?
According to Wikipedia, Stephen Paul Jobs was an American entrepreneur, business magnate, inventor, and industrial designer.
Vedi, Google capisce meglio, punto e basta. Ok Google, what is 375 times 398?
The answer is 149,250.
Hey Siri, how much 345 times 398?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Hey Siri, can you transform 30 miles to kilometers?
I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Okay, Google, can you transform 30 miles to kilometers?
30 miles equals 48.28 kilometers.
Okay, Google, can you speak in Italian?
Yes, I speak Italian.
Okay, Google, can you say something in Italian?
Qualcosa.
Hey Siri, can you translate something in Italian?
I'm having a bit of trouble here. Can you please try that again?
Can you translate something in Italian language? Hey Siri, can you translate something in Italian language?
I'm having a bit of trouble here. Can you please try that again?
Hey Siri, can you translate something in the Italian language, please? Okay, Google, can you say Hey Siri?
Hey Siri.
Hey Siri, can you say Okay Google, how are you?
I'm feeling pretty chill. Since the weather is cooling down in many parts of the country, it's a good time
Shut
to
up.
stay warm indoors and dig up some fun winter facts. I
Ok,
learned that the record for the largest snowflake is 15 inches wide and 8
ho
inches thick.
capito, ci hai scassato. Ok Google, can you say Hey Siri, how are you? Ok Google, can you say Hey Siri, how are you?
I guess my Siri impression is working even when I'm not trying. I can also do an impression of a toaster.
Ok Google, can you say Hey Siri, I don't like you?
I'm so excited. I have a question for her. Hey Siri, wanna dance?
I prefer to DJ.
Hey Siri, can you say, okay Google, can you dance?
I
With a
do
little
radio
help, I
robot.
can twirl.
Hey Siri, can you say, ok Google stop! Ma che cavolo, ci ha messo Gigi D'Alessio. Hey Siri, can you say something to ok Google? Ok, li facciamo litigare tra di loro a telecamere spente. Quindi questo è quanto, ci vediamo la prossima volta, ciao!